The topic of today's video is how to purchase crypto on crypto.com, and it's mostly for new users because I know a lot of people say they struggle to find out where the actual purchase crypto feature is, and it's right here in the bottom center on trade. So once you click on trade, you want to click on buy. Now in here you are welcome to search for whatever coin you want, but I am just going to select Kronos over here. Now if your phone is anything like mine, this may take a while to pop up. Don't worry, it is coming. So in here is where you can set the amount of crypto you want to buy. And once you've decided on that, you can click on add a payment method. That's of course if you don't have one already, like me. I've got Google Pay up there. But if you maybe want to add a credit card, then you can do it through here. Once that's done, all you need to do is click on buy. And I'm not going to click on it because I'm not trying to buy anything here, but you might get an option to review. And if you're happy with everything, then all you need to do is click on proceed. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.